You got it plugged in, right?
Oh God, I'm scared.
Oh, we're getting official now.
Oh God, I'm scared.
Well, it might only last 10 seconds.
Say Super Bowl 2000. Super Bowl 2012 Rocket Firework.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna have to. Does this thing
I'm
do
scared.
sound?
Yeah.
Or maybe we should put it to some rock.
Let's go.
We'll put it in rock music afterwards.
Oh,
Okay. What you need to do is take pictures of all the.
Okay, I'll do that later. Come on.
No, right now. Take them and then take pictures of everybody.
You can't take pictures when you're taking a video.
Well, take the video as you're going. Okay. Make sure you get everybody here.
Go slow.
Oh my
Go slow
goodness.
now, honey. 'Cause this is going on YouTube.
We have Hillary Hill.
Jim, you need to put your mask down.
Oh yeah.
You want to be recognized.
Super Bowl party 2012.
Go!
Oh my gosh.
Is anybody taking odds on whether this thing actually lights?
Oh, yeah,
Some mad scientist.
Okay, we all ready?
Hold on, I gotta get it. Yeah.
All right, get it outside.
Watch the rocket.
Who's the launch expert? Or who's the
Launcher.
Okay, launcher. All you do is gotta pull this down.
I'm nervous.
Already, he's gonna pull it down.
What?
Fire that baby.
Oh, wait a minute. Turn, look, he's gonna fire.
Okay.
Get it going.
Ready, set, go.
Go.
Get your matches out, Jim.
Boy, this is working real good.
Okay, Jim, let's go to plan B, buddy.
Don't.
Hey, the light
I got plan B. Did the light come on?
The light on.
Well, it must be getting close.
See that? The light on? Must be getting close.
Or is that just off your other light? Don't worry, I got a backup. I got a fuse. So.
We got a box of matches in the
I told you it's not gonna work.
Hey, I tell you what, we just unplugged
It's
that.
getting kind of cold in here, Jim.
Oh, Mikayla, don't put that in
Where's
the
the
tape,
foot?
though. That it didn't
Then I have to redo the whole thing.
Oh, you can cut it out.
Well,
Oh,
You
God,
can edit it out.
No, it's even
Okay.
better this
can we
way.
cut it off?
Yeah.
It's better like this.
funny.
It is better. It worked the first time either. No, God, no.
Okay.
We killed a lot of monkeys. Yeah, we did. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay,
Okay, get a window, because this is going to be awesome.
Riley.
Okay.
Rocket.
Now you're ready, huh?
Hey, Foster, come on. I need somebody to hold like.
I gotta get my shoes on.
I need somebody. Anybody got shoes on? Okay, how are we looking, Mikayla?
Good.
Dan's got shoes on.
You got shoes, Dan? Come on, buddy. You're
Oh
up.
my gosh. Be careful, Papa.
You want a safety
I love
shoe?
you.
You got safety glasses on, right?
I'm going to be waving from the 50 next year.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Oh, Dan will help him. Let him.
Dan's got shoes on.
Cool, man. Let her go.
It's cold.
Did he have it plugged in?
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, he said it was set up for 12 volts. He says, but I'm going to put 120. Wait a minute, Jim. It doesn't work that way.
Oh, there they found a fuse maybe. I don't know what they're looking for.
Way too much duct tape to be
worried.
Not be worried.
Well, they squirted some WD-40 on it.
There you go.
What's the WD-40 for? Spraying all over it.
Damned if I know. Make her slide.
Unless it's gasoline.
goes up. I don't see how high it goes.
Somehow it just don't look that aerodynamic to me.
What?
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blast off!
Oh, it's fizzing.
Oh God.
You counted too fast. There's
Oh,
a hell of a
fire in the
Fire in the hole.
There it is.
There it goes.
There it is.
I'm gonna get out here and watch it.
I think you better get back.
Oh my God, you were gonna get
Oh, gee. Oh, jeez. I think we're going to be home next year.
Awesome.